Established in 2007, Zhuhai Jinzhan Electronic Co Limited was the professional one, specializing in R&D and manufacture of anti-theft technology of the professional self-service experience marketing display items, mobile phone, tablet PC, digital camera. With years of the development process and under the great efforts and persistence by the whole team, we had formed our own corporate philosophy and enterprise development concept, exporting products to the United States, Europe, France, Britain, Spain, Southeast Asia, and other countries. Jinzhan also supplied for the provincial operator hall in China. As the professional enterprise of security display industry, we got a series of patents for the mobile phone display, obtained technology and automatic charging, and anti-theft for the display products are our unique features. Our company has been pursuing creating a philosophy of people-oriented, create value for customers as the key link of the company culture for a long time. In order to enhance the technology content, our company takes the way that recruiting in and involving ourselves for training a group of technical experts of our company, with universities and research institutes to establish a wide range of technical cooperation. We never stop introducing up new technologies, provide the qualified anti-theft security display products to customers all over the world.
Welcome to Jinzhan.